Hi, this is Daniel with Circo Innovations. We're out here on my garden. We're looking to make a permanent plumbing setup for our drip system. As you can see, I got some beds here. We want to be able to weed whack around the perimeters of these grow beds, but we don't want to be able to hit our drip system here. So we're going to be building a setup using PVC. We're going to be burying it, and it's going to basically protect it. All right, we finished all the digging of the ditch. Hi, Liam. Say hello.
Hi.
All right, we're on to our first one. The box here. Here's our tee. We'll be placing PVC pipe to protect it, so when we're weed whacking, we can just come straight up to the edge there. Next, we're going to be getting a elbow, placing it right up there. We're going to be using a bracket. What do you think, Loss? Good. Okay, so I'm going to stick 2 sections of PVC pipe over here. This is to protect it in case someone's using like a shovel in the area or putting a stake in. This will protect the line hopefully a little better. Hey! Here, bracketed it, came down to another T, came off on these. Good job, Loss. Next, we're gonna fill the hole up. We have our filter, our timer coming in, burying our system.
Yes. I was going today. I'm going today. Wave.
All right, good job, guys. All right, now that the pipe is covered up, we have our soil in. We're gonna go ahead and weed whack with no danger of damaging that drip system.
There's chicken in there.
Chicken in there?
Yeah. Flowers. Little mouse flowers.
That's right.
They grow up and then they turn to big and big and big. Like